Welcome back to my channel where we explore strategies to help you thrive in your interior design business. As I explore ways to get information out to all of you, please support me by clicking the thumbs up button for this video. You can subscribe to stay updated. I know 93% of you aren't subscribed, so please do that. And if you have any questions, requests, or ideas for other topics, please comment them below. That helps my algorithm in my channel as well. After the last video uploads, everyone wanted to know how I plan to generate revenue during those business lulls, right? When there are gaps in our projects. Well, aside from projects that will generate sales income and time billing, and for those of you not time billing effectively, you're leaving money on the table when you do that, okay? But moving on, I can give you 3 precise ways to increase profitability. Okay. The first is commissions. It seems pretty obvious, but vendor commissions, not just for your sales, but actual referrals. And you can also make a lot of better or revised longer term agreements with vendors that you've used for a while. A lot of them will be willing to, work on that with you. Okay. So go ahead and make those deals. Affiliate programs for things that you already support and use. Okay, I'm not saying go out there and support and be a sellout for things that you could care less about, but for the things that you are, a lot of them are willing to give you compensation, commissions, sometimes products or use. Okay, so those are ways to take advantage of that. The second most obvious is spend less. While that seems pretty straightforward, also, most businesses aren't interested in reviewing the books until the end of the year. And then at that point, they hope to impact the next year. You guys, that's kind of late, okay? You want to review things to make changes and implement them right away. You want to review your profit and loss quarterly in the beginning, and you can kind of move to semi-annually, although, I don't, but you can move to probably a semi-annual after you hit that 1 million mark, So be sure to compare cost of goods to sales when doing that. Anytime you have anything categorized as miscellaneous, which nobody that I work with, we don't use miscellaneous anything. You want to look at office expenses, subscriptions. Those can always come down and make sure you're not paying any duplicates. Advertising is a big one too. If you are spending $1,000 or more a year in advertising, you can definitely take that down a notch or 10. Okay. So online sales will be the third and final way that I can increase profitability without the projects. You can do things like inventory sales. Let's get things out of your inventory. You can do consignment. That's a big one that people are doing nowadays. Master classes or any online sale, video consultation, design services on demand, collaborations with others. Those are all really good ways that you can fill the gap in business, but you can also do things that will then build your business even outside of the projects. Okay. So if that was informative, definitely stay tuned for the next.